Tired of not getting interview calls? There is a 90% chance that it's because of your resume. Don't worry. I am Lena. I am going to share some pro tips to help you land interview calls every single time. Tip number 1. Don't use a text-based resume template. Be creative. Try video resumes. Tip number 2. List accomplishment, not job descriptions. Tell data stories using infographics. Tip number 3. Optimize your resume to suit the industry. Use examples that are in sync with the industry you are applying for. Tip number 4. Replace your objective section with a career summary section. Showcase your professional growth and contributions. Tip number 5. Groom your LinkedIn profile. Today's recruiters look beyond the resumes. LinkedIn can make a huge impact that way. Try these 5 tips and let me know how it worked out for you. Good luck!